Here we are at lab testing headquarters in the ceramics department, where we have an old Remington typewriter which we have disassembled and reconfigured to type on clay. This microwave will be used to make the clay leather hard, the perfect softness for typing on with the typewriter. A bag of tools to manipulate the clay, some grout, a hot plate, more tools for manipulating clay. This is some air-hardened clay. Paper mache, we might add some of this to improve the clay body. Spray paint, olive oil, soap, Sculptamold, some candle wax, margarine butter, salt, lotion, peanut butter. We got some underglazes here, ceramic decal sheets, nylon fiber, water putty, dry clay, saran wrap and wax, toilet paper, a cooking pan, and last but not least, some slabs of clay. This is one of my first test trial runs, and I haven't altered the clay in any way. It's just came out of the bag. It's very soft, and it went around the carousel. There wasn't a problem with that, and it didn't stick to the carousel this time, so there wasn't that problem. But some of the problems I experienced are the keys went way too far into the clay, as you can see, and this sort of like distorted the image, and you can see that there's sort of like these little holes that it forms. And so as you can see, I had to put more space in between the letters. I had to put a space in between each letter. So I guess I'd like a more refined look than that. So I'm going to do some more experiments, and we'll see if we can get something better than this. So I tried putting the clay in the microwave for 10 seconds, and I think this seems to have extracted some of the moisture from the clay. And so as you can see, the writing is a little bit better. It's a little bit clearer. And I don't have to do the spacing before. Before I had to put a space between each letter. But I think I can get a little better, a little clearer, so I'll try. This is the clay with red dust on it, and as you can see, it doesn't really do very much except make the clay red. This is Pam mixed with baby powder, and it makes the best mold release, but I wasn't able to get it to repeat this. This is nylon fiber, and it was in the microwave for 10 seconds, and as you can see, it's illegible. This is more nylon fiber, and you can read it, but not very well, and I think that was part of the mixing process. I think I need to make it into a slip first. This one was seared or cooked in olive oil, and as you can see, it just made it crack more. It didn't really do anything. This one has too much PAM as a mold release, so you only want a little, otherwise you can't really read the writing. This has a little bit less PAM. You can read the writing better, but not as well as this, and this is with just a little bit of PAM. This is in the microwave for 30 seconds. It becomes brittle and illegible. This is in the microwave about 10 seconds, about the perfect amount of time. This is clay unaltered, and as you can see, when it's unaltered, not in the microwave at all, you have to space the letters. You have to space the letters out each time, otherwise they interfere with each other, and also they leave these big impressions. So you can